Magnification of microscope. Magnification is the ability of a microscope to enlarge the image of the object. It tells us how many times image is bigger than its actual size. For example, if a microscope has 40x magnification, it means image will appear 40 times larger than its actual size. Total magnification can be calculated by multiplying his eyepiece magnification with the objective lens magnification. Resolution of microscope. Resolution is the ability of microscope to distinguish two closely placed points as separate. It determines the clarity and details of the image. A higher resolution allows us to see fine details more clearly. Even if magnification is high, without good resolution, the image will look blurry.